Okay, I need something.
There's no fucking way it gets worse than that.
We're not. Okay. I just gotta do it.
We're not prepared for this. Say, what are they gonna say?
I'm about to die today.
Yeah, we all are.
So this is the mild, and then that's the hottest. Did you put the bomb on here?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's not even the hottest? What's the hottest?
I thought that one was the hottest.
So what is that?
That's the last dab.
Oh my gosh.
It's all over my hands. Give me some of those.
Fucking
I'm gonna need more water, first of all.
Not working.
Real quick, guys. Hi. Welcome. So I'm just reacting because I did the dummy thing of after I set the wings on each plate, I fucking licked my fingers. So real quick, we're going through these 5 hot sauces right now. And this is our first time going through Da Bomb. This is everyone's initial reaction to Da Bomb. And then everyone's initial reaction to all these 5 sauces right now. On the roster, we have Kelsey, Cassie, Richie, and myself.
Hi.
The cameras, everybody.
Sit down.
We didn't sign up for this.
Yeah, this was actually kind of sprung on them. It was just like, hey, come hang out. We're gonna eat some hot wings. And this is what
We're supposed to watch them eat hot wings, not partake in the eating of the hot wings.
Okay.
Let's just jump straight into it. We're starting off with whatever the fuck this one is. The Reaper.
AKA the S Reaper.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
I like how she watches me. Yeah, that's a little too hot for me. Holy crap.
Oh, shit.
Oh my. It gets worse than that.
No!
We don't have to eat the whole thing, right?
You don't have to if you don't want to.
It gets worse than that?
Yeah.
Dip it in some ranch, girl.
I gotta say though, as hot as it was, pretty flavorful.
My mouth's burnt. I don't know what you're talking about.
Why do you drink soda?
Ah.
I don't know if I can continue.
Like you said, it wasn't that bad. You made some ranch, girl.
My lips are on fire now.
Was that stabbing?
This, like, how is this fun?
So disclaimer, we didn't know how spicy that one was.
My lips are gonna fall off.
Fucking shit.
Oh my god!
Let me know when you guys are ready for the next one.
Never? Tomorrow?
We're done.
Well,
Did
your
it.
mouth's already burnt. Can it get much worse?
But honestly, if it's already fucking hot and it's scorched, what's
It's just gonna get like a little bit hotter.
Yeah, there's no way. There's no way it's
Except my
literally
lips
gonna
are
fall
gonna
off.
feel like they're gonna fall
I
off
think I need
eventually,
chopsticks.
because now they fucking hurt.
It feels like my tongue got stabbed. That's hungry.
We might get lips out of this.
Oh
Do you think we'll get some, like, bigger
No
lips
need
out
for
of this?
Botox and lip
Oh, shit.
injections. Okay, let's just go.
Yeah,
We just gotta go.
let's do it.
No, wait, I'm not ready.
No, you
Richie, it's time.
No, it's not.
Holy
Okay,
crap,
let's
I'm
go.
taking this one.
Which one is this?
This
One
one's
is the second.
Zombie apocalypse?
Torchbearer sauces, all natural, son of zombie wing sauce, triple X hot. It's accidentally healthy, intentionally delicious.
I could handle that one in my mouth, but my lips are like still gonna die. That one actually tasted good.
That one
Actually,
tastes
yeah.
like kind of sweet.
I like that.
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
And it wasn't that bad. That one wasn't that bad. The first one
The
was
first
worse.
one was worse. Yeah, I think they should have been.
I like starting off with the bang. Well, the batches range so much. We had to put it at the lowest one because it had the lowest starting number.
That one was actually good.
That one wasn't bad.
That's, yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm gonna leave the meat on that one because to take off of these remaining, I feel like I could eat a mild wing to help with the spice
Yeah,
if I need
definitely.
to.
I finally went away. The first
Yeah,
one,
the first one. My lips are
Oh,
still
my lips
burning,
are on
but
freaking
My
Yeah.
fire.
lips, my
it's
lips
not
hurt.
too bad.
Alright, well, this next one is gonna suck. Right?
This is the bomb.
I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Okay. You guys ready?
Fuck yes. The
Hold on.
bomb.
Why are we-
Come on.
Why are we rushing through these? I'm scared of the bomb.
I'm probably gonna shit my pants right now, and it's gonna be embarrassing as fuck. Luckily, I'm in my own home. A quick wardrobe change, and I'm right back here.
Lucky for you.
I've got spare clothes for anyone.
We didn't sign up for it, but lucky us.
I have some patient underwear in my car.
You guys ready for the bomb?
Ready to watch you guys.
Oh.
Before we do
Yeah,
our
we'll do
bite.
our bites.
All right, let's
I think
take
we
a
just
step
have
up.
to do it at the same time because we're gonna watch them and then just be scared.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to do it at the same time.
Just vote.
All right.
Okay.
I'm putting it.
Ready?
You can't put ranch yet.
3,
Oh, I put ranch.
2, 1.
Okay.
Oh no.
It's definitely not flavorful.
Oh.
Oh gosh! I feel it!
I do too. It's definitely getting hot.
Oh my god.
Oh, it gets hotter and hotter. Oh my gosh, it really is burning the back of my throat.
Yep. Okay, that one wasn't cool. Throw that away.
It's not stopping.
It's not stopping.
Okay.
I need it to stop.
Oh god! Oh.
I'm gonna start crying.
Still hasn't stopped. It's still coming.
Oh god, stop my
I need to let my saliva just come out.
Oh my god, I can't. It needs to stop.
Fuck.
Literally crying.
Fuck. I think I have ice cream.
Okay, where?
Holy fuck, that sucks. It so sucks.
I cannot hang if it's worse than that.
There's no fucking way it gets worse than that.
I can't.
Are you crying?
Mm-hmm. Where's that ice cream at though?
No, yeah.
Go get the ice cream.
Ah! Oh, my
I need
lips.
more water.
Me too. Can you give me more water?
Where does it even come from?
The fridge.
Oh my god.
The earth. The fridge. Springs of the mountains.
It's not helping at all.
Oh my god. I'm gonna cry.
I am crying.
I need like ice cream.
I don't know how old it is though.
For reals, make it stop.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah. But keep it in your mouth, it feels better. I need another one.
I already took a bite. It's not stopping though. It's not helping at all.
It's not?
No.
It helped me. Oh my god, that's what I was like.
Oh my gosh. Oh. It's definitely freezer burnt.
Just stick your tongue in it.
This
My
stuff
nose is ready.
wrong. I feel wrong.
It's horrible. It's horrible. I don't even know how we can actually continue. It has
That
to
is
get
the
worse.
worst. That's
That has to be the worst. You see it on the show all the time. Everybody dies, but then they're able to get through.
because I took the first bite of the bomb and I was like, I don't even taste any heat.
God.
Like what? Is this
Yeah,
a
right?
Glitch in the Matrix, and then it's just like slowly, like antagonizingly.
Throat.
So, I touched my eyebrow, and I can feel my eyebrow fucking burning right now. Like, so glad it's not in my eye. I could only imagine.
My lips are just burning. And my mouth is okay right now.
This popsicle's so helpful.
That's what I said.
Why isn't it helping me? Now I understand why you didn't tell us, Richie.
Shut up.
This is awesome, though.
Why did we come on the day that you guys do the hottest freaking one in history?
Holy
I
fuck.
thought your salsa was spicy. You understand that? How long does this last? 24 hours? I'm not gonna make it. You ready?
I'm ready to get
I'm
it
not
over
ready.
with. I'm just ready to get it over with.
Wait till you guys' popsicles are done, at least. There's only one bathroom in the house, too, guys.
I mean, I don't live that far. I can make it
Are
home.
you sure after that you can make it home? How is it burning in my throat all of a sudden?
Alright, let's do this fucking blueberry ghost pepper.
I'm taking a bite.
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
let's do this.
Come on, Richie.
My stomach doesn't feel right.
It's not going to for a few days, probably.
Great.
I'm just assuming here. Alright, so here's the blueberry ghost pepper one. Blueberry ghost pepper. Here we go.
Taking a little bitch back.
Same.
I mean, the wing itself is cold by now, but holy hell. Actually, you know what?
That's not that bad.
I
Yeah.
still have the bomb burn in my mouth, so I can't tell.
It's actually not that bad. I can go for another bite. I want to give it a second here, though.
Yeah, it's dangerous. That one took like 5 seconds to kick in.
Yeah.
Okay, that one wasn't that bad.
No, it's actually
That
pretty
one's
delicious.
I mean, I can't tell.
That's like actually
because-
edible.
To be honest, for me, it kind of helped my burn a little bit.
Yeah,
And that's fucking ghost peppers. Like,
Yeah, that's the crazy thing.
but the blueberry totally helped. You know what? I enjoy the lineup that we kind of set up here.
like
To hot
as
to mild.
fuck
Yes.
to mild.
To
even
fucking
to
way
fucking
hotter.
higher.
It's gonna be terrible.
To mild.
I don't know. You guys already had this one.
Yes.
Now with that like smirk on your face, I don't know about it.
That's
Was
supposed
it
to-
hotter than the bomb?
No fucking way. It's hot and it's hard to handle, but holy fuck, the bomb is like the hottest fucking thing I've ever eaten, and I've eaten some fucking shit before.
This was a horrible idea. Oh my god, this isn't even enjoyable to eat.
I feel like we should have got Pepto at the store.
We literally have one more.
Oh,
And that's it, just one.
I know what it is, and I could
You-
totally kick us off.
You definitely signed us up for this, Richie, so you're
You have
eating
to
it.
put the last dab.
Oh yeah, it's tradition to add a little extra. You guys don't have to if you don't want to.
nope, no way.
So you're not doing it?
Just leave me alone. Ugh. I'm just putting a little schmeckle.
Can I like just dip it?
Yeah, totally. That's totally acceptable. Again, totally. The bomb has this is
I'm
nothing
shaking.
compared to the bomb.
I'm shaking.
I was like shaking during the bomb. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna have a fucking seizure.
That's
All right,
Okay.
Okay.
let's
Ready?
Is this
cheers
gonna be
this
horrible?
fucking
Let's
It's
wing.
cheers
gonna
our
be
last
horrible.
wing.
Gonna end up in the vegetable
Cheers.
garden.
Yeah.
Don't put your little dab on us though. I'm
I
nervous.
see a seed. That's gonna make it worse.
3,
Make it
2, 1.
Oh, I like that one.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I'm totally desensitized now after that one.
Ooh, that one creeps up on you.
I just drew on.
Ricky's dead.
Okay, clearly nothing was as bad as the bomb.
No
Yeah, no.
fucking way.
That was the worst
That
thing
was
I've ever had
the
in my
worst
life.
salsa, hot sauce, whatever crap it was I've had in my life. I don't suggest throwing it up.
No
honestly.
fucking way. Are you kidding me? Can't you?
No!
My throat already hurts.
Exactly.
So I think we all think this was a horrible, horrible lineup, Richie.
Yeah. I think it was fucking great.
It was an experience.
Yes.
I'm glad I did it, but I mean, it's a bad idea.
I'm gonna have nightmares about that.